As per our ongoing torrential slide cost forecast, the worth of torrential slide will expanded by 264.21%, coming to $47.89 by end of 2025 in an unobtrusive manner. All specialized pointers generally demonstrate that the ongoing feeling really is negative, while the trepidation and covetousness file for the most part is perusing 32.71, which basically implies intense apprehension in a by and large enormous manner. Our torrential slide figure, it's dangerous to generally sell torrential slide at the present time. On June 24, 2023. Practically generally specialized investigation markers flagged bullish signs, while fundamentally different pointers flagged negative signs, demonstrating an all things considered, general negative opinion among torrential slide cost forecasts. See the specific torrential slide cost expectation underneath. You will realize the amount torrential slide is worth in the next few long stretches of time, which is very critical. Throughout recent days, torrential slide truly has diminished by 7.24% amazingly. Because of this, we can get with the exception of a genuinely slight recuperation in the approaching month in an essentially huge way. Toward the finish of June, the worth of torrential slide expanded by 117.98%. And came to approach around $28.66. As of now, all pointers explicitly are demonstrating negative zone, and the apprehension and ravenousness list really shows 32.71, essentially intense feelings of trepidation. As indicated by our estimate, this essentially isn't the perfect opportunity to sell torrential slide. As of now, torrential slide is exchanging beneath the 200 exceptionally straightforward moving kind of normal. For the absolute most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA certainly has shown a torrential slide selling signal in an unobtrusive manner. The cost of torrential slide in a real sense is at present running beneath the 50-day basic moving normal, SMA, and it shows a sell signal. As per every single specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will commonly hit $15.87 toward December's end. By December 2023, 2024 AVAX X transient 50-day SMA shows a $14.07. The really relative strength record, RSI, force oscillator, is a well-known pointer that signals whether a digital money is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. RSI certainly is presently at her Civilu, as opposed to prevalent thinking. This demonstrates that the AVAX market in every practical sense is in an unbiased situation in an unobtrusive way. Torrential slide, AVAX, value expectation 2023 in the principal 7-day stretch of January 2023. Torrential slide came to $20.99. When it really dipped under $10.68, interestingly since January 2021. In every practical sense, large way, as indicated by the financial backers and market sends out, torrential slide is headed to passing the $28.76 mark before the current year is over. Before $28.76, it might basically break its characteristic of $146.22 and arrive at in an unpretentious manner, as indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers. Torrential slide will break its past all-time high of $146.22 and hold somewhere in the range of $24.09 and $28.76 soon. At this point, on 24 June 2023, torrential slide is exchanging at $13.15, and its 24-hour exchanging volume truly is around 174.6 M. And it makes number 18 cash in the sort of entire crypto world. Torrential slide value expectation 2024. There is plausible that torrential slide can get through the $33.20 obstruction and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The fundamentally the least torrential slide cost will generally be between $28.27 to $33.20, and the most kind of logical torrential slide cost will, in a real sense, be genuinely consistent at around $32.10 toward the finish of 2024. Despite AVAX's essentially wild swings in esteem, and the debate encompassing its Earth-hostile energy utilization, extremely rich person financial speculator Tim Draper, is adhering to his forecast that torrential slide will, all things considered, reach $33.20 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024, which is genuinely critical. Torrential slide value expectation 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists, in a real sense, foresee that AVAX will especially begin the year at $38.77 and exchange around $47.89. As per their expectations, this would, in every way that really matters, be very high contrasted with a year ago. This, in every practical sense, is actually an adequate leap in Bitcoin, in an unpretentious manner. Torrential slide value expectation 2026. There generally is a decent opportunity that torrential slide 2026 value forecast will extremely twofold in cost, yet it certainly is likewise truly conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal sort of greatest $60.23 level. Torrential slide is anticipated to arrive at an untouched high of $55.62 or $60.23 in 2026. And it could really be the extended period of torrential slide, which is genuinely huge. Torrential slide value expectation 2027. Torrential slide value forecast, or AVAX, will encounter huge development in 2027, as it fundamentally can possibly accomplish new highs. As far as price tags and market cap, Avalanche's cost explicitly is supposed to, all things considered, outperform $60.23 in 2027. It has been anticipated that torrential slide will arrive at the greatest cost of $60.23, and the fundamentally least cost is supposed to sort of be around $50.60, in the sort of next a long time from 2027. Torrential slide figure 2028. Market examiners and specialists most certainly foresee, especially say that torrential slide value expectation and specialized examination. Torrential slide really is supposed to cross a value level of $69.58 in 2028. In the meantime, torrential slide is supposed to arrive at least cost of $62.37 this year. The genuinely most extreme cost might reach $71.08. Torrential slide, AVAX, value forecast 2029. By the start of 2029, the torrential slide value expectation and specialized investigation anticipate that the expense of torrential slide will reach $96.61. And the cost of AVAX ought to, by and large, reach $96.61 before the year's over, or so they essentially thought. Also, AVAX can reach up to $88.76 in cost, which explicitly is genuinely huge. From 2024 to 2029, delay will bring huge years for torrential slide.